dreamt of walking in the footsteps of the world's first healers? Welcome to Pelion, Greece, the mythical home of the Centaur Chiron, the legendary father of medicine. I'm inviting you on a transformative 10-day journey into the heart of herbalism by Julia Graves. We'll begin in the charming seaside village of Millennia, nestled on a remote peninsula where the mountains meet the sea. Here, we won't just read about plants, we'll live among them. From the water-attaining secrets of fig trees to the ancient remedies found in dried olives, we will unlock the doctrine of signatures right where they grow. But our journey doesn't end at the shore. We will culminate our study with a sacred pilgrimage to Delphi. We'll stand at the temple of the wisdom of the earth, the very site where the oracle's priestesses once guided the ancient world for 3 millennia. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a curious soul, this is your chance to reconnect with the spirit of the earth in its most storied landscape. Join me this April 28th, May 7th, 2026. For a breathtaking experience that blends deep clinical expertise with the living myths of Greece. In Chiron's footsteps, Pelion and Delphi, your seat at the medicine wheel is waiting.